Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. And if you're new here, think about subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support. And without any further delay, let's get started into the video. As I said, I'm gonna unbox the Glamego subscription box. It's a beauty subscription box, and if you're new to Glamego and if you want to know more about how they work, what are the charges as such, please check that in the description box below. I will link everything you need to know about Glamego so that you can purchase it if you are interested. So without any further delay, I will show you how the outer packaging was. This is the outer packaging, which says Glamego on it, and it's just a normal biodegradable box, nothing new inside that. So inside that box you will get a box like this. Each and every month it will be of different print and it will say Glamego here. So it's like a magnetic closure, not the best one I would say, but this box is sturdy and you can sure use it for storage purpose. And you can see all the products in here. I already opened everything as usual. I tried, and I'm wearing that nail paint on me. So that's the yellow one. I'm becoming crazy and I chose that yellow one when the choice was sent to me. So we will come to that later. And it says, she's like mommy bear, cuddle us like a cub. She's like mommy elephant, navigate us to light. She's like mommy tigress, protect us like a cub. So love your mom. It's for the Mother's Day. The words are really great and impresses me a lot, and shows, and it gives me the memories of how my mom, came up with better ideas when nobody think about that. She's wonderful, guys. So everybody is, right? Every mom is a wonderful mom. So without any further blabbering, I will get started into the products. So I'm becoming like more emotional when I think about my mom. So this is the first product, and how should I show that? It's a Voste nail paint, and it's of 9 ml. We know Voste is really good brand. I'm not sure about the cost information. And there was a choice will be sent to your email if there is a makeup item or some item related to skincare. It will ask whether you're oily or the dry skin family. It will ask all such details and you can choose. If there is a choice, obviously they're gonna send it to your email and you can choose it. So this is the nail paint which I chose. It's like not a matte finish, like it's really good one, like a gel finish. I love it. So that's the first product. And the second one comes into my hand is the Votre. That's how you guys call. I'm not sure how we pronounce it. It's a multivitamin and regenerating night cream. I have problem in pronouncing, guys, only in front of the camera. Okay, it says night infusion and the 3 ingredients are mentioned here, and it says like the direction to use everything. And this cost really, how much? I think I'm not sure the price of the box, whether it is mentioned anywhere here, but it is really a luxurious brand and it smells good, guys. So this is how it looks like white cream. That's it. So let me check the texture and I will show you how it feels on my hand. Oh, it's so it gives a instant cooling effect for me, and it is not having any oily residue left over. It's like a matte finish. I think it's gonna be a very good cream. I have to try that out, and everybody is raving about that. It's a good brand. I never used Votre, so I have no idea. Let me give it a try and I will put that in my Instagram page. So this is the next product, and it is for the acne. It's for Pimple Prevention. It is from Osaka, Japan. Rohto. I don't know how they pronounce that. It says Mentho Cool. Controls skin heat plus removes excess oil. I am badly in need of this. You can see I have pimples here and there, so I need this. And it does says it works in 3 ways and it gives the complete information. I'm not gonna read that. For oily, pimple prone skin, exact match, I would say. It's for me. I will give it a try, and it's like for 90 or 100 rupees somewhere. I saw the price, guys. And the next one is a lip scrub. I generally don't like getting lip scrubs and lip balms in subscription boxes. I never count them as a product. It's a personal opinion, and It smells amazingly, and it says it has dates, rambutan, I'm not sure what is that, and it has, oh, it has cane sugar, almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, and rambutan extract, date extract, I'm not sure what is that, so I have to google that out. So this is how it looks like. I will show you the texture, guys. It's like a cake. It looks like a dates cake. So, but I'm personally not interested to get, you know, these products as a product. It's for $261. And the next product is a makeup item. I love getting makeup items, guys. I'm completely into makeup nowadays. So this is the Bella Voste Pout Sheer Cream Less Lipstick. Yes, it says sheer coverage. It gives a sheer coverage. That is the nail. That is the nail paint. No, that is the lipstick which I'm wearing on my lips right now. So I'm confused because of this nail paints. So it just gives you the ingredients list, and I think this is cost around, I chose 04 warm tan. I'm not sure about the pricing. It will be there in the Glamego page, guys. You can go and check that out before ordering. And it's 4.2 grams. I love Glamego products. This is how it looks on the bullet. Okay, it's a warm tan. That's the name called as, and this is how it looks like. Like, it's good kind of nude shade for dusky skin, I would say, but I'm not sure. I'm not good at explaining the shades, but I think it's like a good nude shade. How do you think, guys? Leave that in the comment section below so that I will learn about shades, lipstick shades, or even the nail paint shades. I'm not good at explaining how I feel like. So this is the box again for you guys, and the box is empty now. We totally got 2 makeup products and 3 skincare related products. I included the lip scrub as a skincare product. So that being said, and there are some cards. So, and this month's theme is beauty emergency kit. So we have a night cream. So we have an acne related problem now. Like if you suddenly have any acne problem, you get that. You have makeup cover, like generally we cover like lipstick, eyes, and the nails. That is what I think all the girls, you know, thinking about. Even there is a sudden occasion you have to do, you will think about the nails, the lips, and the eyes. I think actually that is how I feel. Please do leave your comments in the comment section below. I love to know how you guys feel about a special occasion or an emergency kit should have. So the Votre full size is 2350, but we have 30 ml and it is 1550. And the pimple is for the pimple and the aid gift, the Rohto, that is how they pronounce, I'm not sure, for 99. And the Seer Secrets lip scrub is for 261. We saw that. Oh, the Bella Voste is for 225, and the Bella Voste nail paint is for 249. So all the information and the formulae, how they prepare these products and all, it's like a simple leaflet explains about the products. So that is good. And always Glamego runs some sort of competition, something like that. It says hashtag date with mom in the best place in your city. It says it's India's #1 beauty subscription box. Post any of your pic with mom before 10th of May. Tag us in Instagram or Facebook so that it's like a competition. You guys can participate if you would like to with your mom, of course. So that is the box, and I'm happy that there's 2 makeup products, and I'm happy about the Votre. I would say this is a steal deal, and if we are on budget, sure, we have to save something. At the same time, we don't want to give up and go and get a brand which is not going to suit us, or an affordable brand. Why should we go there? We should always need some luxurious item to take care of ourselves, and we can get that by buying Glamego or any such beauty subscription box with a little bit of budget management. So being said that, please do leave your comments about the video or about the Glamego in the comment section below. That's going to help me and the Glamego team. And thanks a lot for your time, guys. Love you all. I will see you soon with another video. Bye bye.